Hello, this is Steve Holland, and I want to welcome you to this discussion of how to write a 5-paragraph essay. This type of essay is a basic pattern for success in writing of essays. Obviously, there are basically 5 parts to writing the paragraph. These are the introduction, which is paragraph 1, the main body, paragraphs 2, 3, and 4, and the conclusion, paragraph 5. The thesis is generally inserted within the first paragraph, and all of the paragraphs and all the sentences are connected with transitions. In the introduction, you want to grab the attention of the reader. You do this with such strategies as the summarization of the main points, asking of questions, delivering an anecdote or short story, setting the scene. And there are other strategies, but for now, that's enough. You want to move smoothly with those transitions into your thesis and your main body. The things not to do. Don't merely announce what you're going to write about, such as, I'm going to write about writing a 5-paragraph essay. It's just not very interesting. Don't just start with the thesis. 3 things you ought to know. Again, it is just not very interesting. What makes a good thesis? Well, a good thesis provides purpose and direction to the essay. It is not too vague, that is, using abstract or general terms. It answers why or how the writer knows something to be true. And it answers, but does not ask a question. It is definitely not a fact. And it connects to the points in the main body. It connects to the conclusion. In the main body of the essay, those 3 middle paragraphs, each paragraph develops one main topic at a time in each paragraph. Each paragraph is supported with explanation and examples. And as a general rule, each paragraph is at least 4 sentences long. Definitely don't write any 1-sentence paragraphs. And again, use transitions to connect the essay's other parts to each other. What makes a good conclusion? Well, a good conclusion summarizes the main points of the essay. It does not, though, merely repeat them. And it reflects upon what was stated within the essay. A good conclusion discusses a lesson learned, maybe makes a prediction, or indicates what are the most important point or points to ponder from what was written. It does not introduce new points not covered in the main body. And once again, it connects to the main body and the thesis. Now, what are those transitions? Well, these are words that hold together the essay. Such words as, however, furthermore, first, second, third, consequently, and finally are almost invisible, but need to be needed to clarify and provide direction for that essay. They are the pegs that hold together the essay. If these transitions are not present, the essay will have a choppy read to it. So here's the outline for the 5-paragraph essay. The first paragraph is the introduction, grabs the attention. The thesis is usually inserted within that paragraph. The body of the paragraph are paragraphs 2, 3, and 4. And these are points that are supported with examples and explanations. And the conclusion, paragraph 5, wraps up the essay. Now, the final step before turning in your final draft of an essay is to check your transitions. Proofread for grammar and spelling, and make sure your thesis, the points made in the main body, and the conclusion all connect with each other. Good luck.